The best way to predict the future is to create it. In a world filled with uncertainty, one thing remains steadfast: our ability to shape our own destinies. The best way to predict the future isn't through crystal balls or fortune tellers, it's through our actions, choices, and determination to create the future we envision. Embrace your powers. Too often, we fall into the trap of passively waiting for the future to unfold before us. We become spectators in our own lives, expecting external forces to dictate our path. But true empowerment comes from recognizing the agency we possess to shape our realities. Visionaries of change. Throughout history, visionaries have defied the status quo and forged new paths